Okay, hi. So today we're making a planter box. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press S for scale on the current default cube that we have. I'm also going to change out my render engine to cycles, edit mode, and we're going to go ahead and select the bottom face right here, E for extrude and S for scale just to bring that in nicely. And then you could also do top as well whilst you're at it, so we can do E for extrude, S for scale, bring it in, E for extrude, leave it where it is, S for scale, go ahead and line that up, and then we'll go E for extrude and drop that down. So now we have the basic planter box on the outside. If we go ahead and add a plane, S for scale, bring this in, S for scale, bring this out. We can then press G and bring this up, so now we've got the soil. And you can go ahead and add a curve and then sample tree gen. If you can't find sample tree gen, it's in the properties section under edit. So we'll put sample tree gen, got a nice little tree right here. Sample tree gen box in the bottom left corner, and just add the leaves before amending anything. So you can go ahead and select different trees on here as well. If you go from leaves to geometry, I believe it is, load present, and you've got a listing of a whole load of bunch of trees that you can have right there. For today's tutorial, I'm just going to go ahead and scale this down, and then I can place a secondary tree or third tree in the box with it. R for rotate, just turn it a couple of secs, and then we can go on here. So this is the planter box that we can make, and we can go to materials, and we can make this kind of like a brown, purple, whatever you want, and then the leaves we can go with the green, make it a bit deeper if you want to. Then the tree itself, we can go with new, and we can go ahead and make that a little bit darker as well. So you just want to go ahead and add the different tones to this. Let's go with leaves. And there you have it. Basic planter box, and of course don't forget the soil as well. You can go with the green. Sorry, the green. The brown with that too. So basic planter box. Enjoy. I'll see you in the next tutorial.